Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we are going to explore an ancient Chinese character. Its pronunciation is
水
it means water. When this character is combined with other characters, it forms many common words. For example,
冰水
means ice water,
墨水
means ink,
洪水
means flood,
水坝
means dam or reservoir. Now, let's take a look at how this character evolved throughout history. In the earliest oracle bone script, it resembled a flowing river. As the writing system became standardized, the character was gradually simplified until it eventually took on the stroke-based form we use today. Let's practice reading this character together.
水水水
This is a single component character. It is made up of 4 strokes: a horizontal left stroke, a vertical hook, a short left falling stroke, and a right falling stroke. Do you remember the golden rule of writing Chinese characters? From top to bottom and from left to right. Now, let's try writing this character stroke by stroke. First, we begin with the vertical hook. Not only is this stroke written from the very top, but it also sits at the center of the square writing grid, which helps us position the whole character. Next, on the left side of the vertical hook, write a horizontal left stroke. Be careful not to extend it higher or lower than the vertical stroke. Then, at the upper right of the vertical hook, add a short left falling stroke. Remember, it starts from the top right and ends at the middle of the vertical stroke. Finally, from the intersection point of the left falling stroke and the vertical hook, draw a right falling stroke. This stroke should be slightly longer than the upper left falling stroke, giving the character balance and elegance. When the character
水
is used as a radical, it usually appears on the left side of other characters. It is used as a symbol like this. Whenever you see a character with this radical, it often relates to something connected with water. Have you mastered this character now?